Hello and welcome back to the Blackstone Solicitors channel. Today we're going to explain a term that often comes up in the construction and property industry, but can be confusing for many: the JCT contract. If you've ever been involved in building works or property development, understanding what a JCT contract is and why it matters can save you time, money, and potential disputes. So, what does JCT stand for? JCT is short for the Joint Contracts Tribunal, which is an organization in the United Kingdom that produces standard forms of contracts for construction projects. These contracts are widely used in the construction industry and provide a clear legal framework for managing the relationship between parties involved in a building project, such as the client, the contractor, and sometimes subcontractors. The primary purpose of a JCT contract is to set out the rights, responsibilities, and obligations of each party involved in a construction project. It covers everything from timelines and payment schedules to quality standards and dispute resolution. By using a JCT contract, all parties have a clear understanding of what is expected, reducing the risk of misunderstandings and legal disputes. There are different types of JCT contracts depending on the nature and complexity of the project. For example, there are contracts for minor works, intermediate works, and major projects. There are also contracts specifically for design and build projects, where the contractor is responsible for both the design and construction of the building. Choosing the right type of JCT contract is essential to ensure it fits the project's size, complexity, and risk profile. One of the key benefits of a JCT contract is that it is a recognized standard within the construction industry. This means that if disputes arise, courts and adjudicators are familiar with these contracts, which can make resolution more straightforward. The contracts also include standard clauses for matters such as extensions of time, liquidated damages for delays, and procedures for variations to the work, which provide certainty for all parties. However, it's important to remember that while JCT contracts provide a standard framework, they can and should be tailored to suit the specific project. Special conditions may be added to address unique risks or requirements. This is where legal advice becomes invaluable. A solicitor experienced in construction law can help ensure that the contract protects your interests and complies with current legal standards. At Blackstone Solicitors, we guide clients through the complexities of JCT contracts, from drafting and reviewing agreements to advising on amendments and risk management. Our goal is to make sure that your construction project runs smoothly, that your rights are protected, and that disputes are minimized. In short, a JCT contract stands for a standard construction contract produced by the Joint Contracts Tribunal. It provides clarity, fairness, and certainty for all parties involved in a building project and is an essential tool for managing risk in construction. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more clear and practical legal insights from Blackstone Solicitors.